Is it a myth that non-surgical treatments can replace plastic surgery of the face? Hi, I'm Dr. Ramsey Choucair, board-certified plastic surgeon in Dallas, Texas, coming to you with another educational video. So many of the questions we get in our practice are, well, can't I get by without surgery and achieve close to the same result? Obviously, that sounds not necessarily logical, but that's some of the questions we get. So let's just say the non-surgical techniques that are available to tighten skin with any kind of heat-based treatment, usually, if you're very, very young, will create a minor improvement. But then again, it's hard to see it because you don't have much aging. If you have any significant aging, non-surgical techniques are absolutely not a replacement for facelift surgery. Facelift surgery takes tissues that are droopy and dropped and low and re-elevates them. Nothing so far non-surgical can do that. And so it really comes down to patient expectations. And when I see patients, if they say, well, I just want a minimal improvement, then maybe a non-surgical technique would work. Most patients never really mean they want a minimal improvement. They usually want as much improvement as they can and still look normal. That usually means a facelift. So the answer is, it is somewhat of a myth that non-surgical treatments are anywhere close at this stage of replacing surgery.